Good morning students. This is your book 4 more about Scratch. You already learned the basics of the Scratch. In this you are going to learn about, you will mainly focus on using blocks in Scratch, types of blocks in Scratch, how to paint a new sprite. Using blocks in Scratch, types of blocks in Scratch, how to paint a new sprite. What is a sprite? The cat which you are seeing is called as a sprite. Okay, you can add more sprites, and all these are called as the blocks: motion, look, sound. You are having mainly 10 blocks. Look here, types of blocks in Scratch. Scratch gives you 10 categories of blocks, each of which include a number of blocks you can use to do similar jobs. These are, you are having 10 blocks. Those are motion, sound, data, events, sensing, more blocks, looks, pen, data, control, operators. What are those? Look here: motion, looks, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operators, and more blocks. Each and every block is given different color. Look here, motion block is given blue, looks block is given purple, and pen block is given sea green, and data is given brown, like that. Okay, each and every block is given different colors. We have learnt about adding motion blocks to sprites in the previous lesson. Also, let us know about the looks block menu now. Okay, we are going to know about the looks block menu. Where is the looks block? Here. This is the looks block. Okay, looks block is purple in color, and they control the looks of your sprites. That means this looks block will control the looks of your sprites. This is the sprite. It will control the looks of your sprite and backdrop, their size, and whether they would be displayed in front or behind other assets. Look blocks also include blocks that let you display text. Look blocks also contains the text. Look here, blocks for that is, it is saying say hello. That means it is the, what is that? Text. The say block will display the text in speech bubble. The say block will display the text in speech bubble, while think block will display in thought bubble. Here say block is displayed in speech bubble, think block is displayed in thought bubble. You can combine these with others as data or sensing blocks. You can combine these say blocks and think blocks with sensing and data blocks. You can add these blocks to these two blocks. What are those? Data and sensing. Then blocks for showing or hiding sprites. These blocks are used for showing or hiding the sprites. Let us show or hide the sprites from the stage. In this looks block, you can show or hide the sprites. Blocks for switching costumes. Look here, this is for costumes block. This is used to switch the costume, or else you can change the costume. Blocks for changing color effects. You can change the color effect of the sprite or anything using this color, changing color effects. Okay, up to here learn these 10 blocks. I will take the class in next class. Okay, learn these 10 blocks and read the lesson up to here.